Hello everyone, I want to let you know I'm starting a new book of duets for beginners, and I'm going to be, as usual, including MP3s with each post on Patreon, and as well as PDF files of what I'm doing, sheet music. So I hope that you take advantage of this on Patreon, and yes, let's get going. This duet book is for beginners. So if you are intermediate player level or advanced player, then this is going to be probably a little bit boring for you. So I would suggest this only for beginners, because most of these, I think all of these are actually going to be in first position. They are focusing on very basics, fundamentals of the violin playing. And they're really fun, really a great group of duets, specifically designed for beginners in mind, and the idea of having fun while still learning some valuable skills on violin. So that's going to be the new project, and I hope that you will find it useful for your violin learning journey. And let me know in the comment section how I'm doing, if you like it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.